for people with hit music, hit songs, and people who have a niche market but don't get on the regular shows all the time, but the people love them. So you set it that there are people who will draw people in, and sometimes those who will draw people in sometimes can't even perform like those who people not talking about. So you have some who can draw the people in and you have some who can perform. And as I said up there, that it is not autocratic. We make sure we ask everybody give us a list, and we also put it on the internet so people from all over the world send their requests who they want, and that is how we choose it. And then as somebody who has been in the business for years and have an understanding of what an artist can do, then I endorse what the people say. Like somebody say, well, Bonnie Whale, I say yes, because I know he has a cat. The Jamaican music is one big family. I mean, as people start to turn dancehall in a genre. When I grew up, dancehall was a space like this. So people would just go to that space and enjoy themselves. The faster one with DJ on it, but it was still just Jamaican music. We don't want to look like we are separating, but we want to still uphold a standard where you come to Rebel Salute and you inspire and you motivate. Bounty, our brethren, and we know Bounty start out to sing some wonderful song, and we know he has. It's like we did Mavado, David Lux. And that was, I think that's the best performance he ever did in Jamaica at Rebel Salute, because for maybe an hour it was clean and people was eating out of his hands. And we are sure that Bounty Killer can do even a better job when he comes. Beanie Man has done it as Moses Davis, Lady Saw has done it as Marian Hall, and every year we do it, you know. Agent Sasko, everybody, every year we do it. The year that just passed was Busy Signal. So this year we bring Rodney Price. We don't want Bounty Killer. Yes, we want that side of it. Well, honestly, the foundation is something that was always there. We just never put it into what you want to say now, in writing. We just didn't have it that way, have it official. Because as they said up there, it's true. I really don't believe in chatting about everything that you give, because if you give something, you give it because you see the need for it and you want to do it. So I take the satisfaction in doing so. So every year we have been doing that, and we've been doing that a long time from just a bus. You go to dub plate, and this your pocket is to give, and this your pocket is for you. You're coming from foreign, and this your pocket is to give, and this your pocket is for you. You're going to do a show, and you have to do it all. Every day people call you. You have to send Holy for picnic to school. You have to help pay some people in Dr. Bill. You have to help pay some picnic school fee from university, all levels. We have been doing that over the years. And so my children decide to say, no man, they must put it in a foundation. And so we just go with them. Them are the younger generation, and them say, put it in a foundation. That's how we do it, and it is fine. 2 children receive those scholarships, and one of them just gone through the roof in terms of academics. Since we start to encourage them, and there are other children at the school who are just waiting, doing better. The school is now having children who are doing better to meet the criteria together.